Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shehzadi. Today, we are showing you 10 stunning texture buttercream cake techniques that bring artistry and elegance to your cake decoration. Let's dive into the world of swirls, strokes, and sculpted finishes. First one is rusted spatula texture. Starting with the classic rusted spatula texture. This is achieved by gently dragging your spatula in vertical or horizontal motion on soft buttercream. It gives a raw, homemade charm, perfect for weddings and bridal showers. Use a large offset spatula for smooth, sweeping strokes. The next is wave texture. Next up in the wave texture, beautiful flowing pattern created by rot- rotting the cake and pressing gently with spatula. This technique adds movement and elegance, often seen in ocean or mermaid themed cakes. The next is palette knife painting. Try palette knife painting for an artistic touch. You can create abstract flowers, leaves, or color blends using colored buttercream and small metal knives. This is perfect for garden party, cakes, or modern wedding designs. The next is horizontal stripes. Use a cake combo or texture scraper to create horizontal lines for a neat layered look. This works well when with ombre colors or soft pastels. It's a go-to style for minimal elegant cakes. The next is vertical lines and ribbon effect. Go vertical for a more structured design. This technique looks chic and modern, especially when paired with gold leaf or florals. It also makes your cake appear taller and more dramatic. The next is rosette piping. The rosette cake is always a crowd pleaser. Use a star tip and pipe soft spills around the cake. It's feminine, floral, and fabulous, ideal for Mother's Day, birthdays, or princess cakes. The next is diagonal texture. Add drama with diagonal buttercream textures. It's a modern twist on the traditional spatula stroke and adds lot of depth. Try using different tones of same color to enhance effect. The next is ruffle texture. For a delicate and detailed look, go with buttercream ruffles. Pipe in thin wave line using a petal pipe tip to create soft movement around your cake. It's like fabric made from frosting, so elegant. The next is boho rough cake, texture cake. The boho rough look it is all about freedom and creativity. No perfect edges, just soft white buttercream in organic shapes. It's perfect for bohemian theme or rustic outdoor events. The next is watercolor blending cake. Use a small offset spatula to softly blend two or more buttercream shades. This creates a watercolor finish, dreamy and light. Great for pastel theme, baby showers, or gender reveals. Here are few tips or techniques we explore today. Rustic spatula texture, wave texture, palette knife painting, horizontal stripes, vertical ribbed lines, rosette piping, diagonal texture, ruffle texture, boho rough finish. And the last one is watercolor blend. Of these can be customized to fit your color theme and occasion. Which buttercream texture was your favorite? Let us know in the comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory and share for more daily cake inspiration. This is Cakes Factory where every cake is a masterpiece. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and your family or your loved ones. Always share love with others because the thing you have, you always share that thing, and you can share only that thing. If you have love inside or happiness inside yourself, then you can create happiness in your environment. Bake a cake for your family or your friend or your loved one so you can share your love with them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.